Hello PY, this is Bobby. I hope you're doing well. I'm calling you. I was taking a break from work and I was working on Bonita this morning and I have an issue. I'm trying to execute a JavaScript where user can click on a button, but I look at the button properties and I couldn't see anything. I saw submit task or posts, but nothing related to the execute a JavaScript. So I know in Angular you can use a ng-click to add on a button, but I don't know how to do it right now. Can you help me? PY? Are you there? Hello, PY.
Oops. Hi, Bobby. Sorry, I was eating something. That's a very good question. So I know 3 different ways to do that. First, you can have a custom widget, and then in the custom widget, you have a button in the custom widget. When you click, you can execute a script. The point is, if you have a lot of scripts and you have to create one custom widget per script, not very generic and useful. Second, I know one of my colleagues, they use a side effect in the add to collections, and they can not reference directly a collection, but they can call JavaScript, but side effect. So what I use here, let me show you. Here, for example, I had something like blue. Click on say hello, and you see I have blue. If I call yellow, hello, so I execute something, a script, and the script just complete that in a file, in a variable. Okay, so how do I do that? Look, so first I have a button, and it's a add to collections, and the add to collections, I add this in this collection, so it's only a collections. Okay, that's it. Second, I have a controller. I love the controller, you know that. And then here, look, what I do is I save in a $data session. So this is inside the JavaScript variable. I save a value, count trigger, and then I compare the list with this value. And if something change, is the list, the size change, that means someone click on the button, because at the beginning you have 0, you click on the button, so you have 1, but the list is still here, so you compare, say, oh, you click on the button. And what is important, of course, is after you have to update the list. So you go to 1, and then you click again, go to 2, then you go to 2, and so on. So here I do the JavaScript management. I do what you want. Here you see I complete my forms, my variable, sorry, and I just set the first name to empty to give the, because I want to do that. Okay, so if you have a look again, so here it's my list. You see I have 2 items now. So here every time you click, and you can see here, maybe it's not so visible, but every time you type something, the JavaScript is executed in the UI designer. So it do nothing because it's still 2 items, and then 2 items do nothing. But if I click, then I will have 3 items in my list, and then 2 in the counter, so it detect, and then it can do something. Okay, you get it? What do you think?
Okay, I see. So it's like the notion of controller that you explained me earlier. Is that right?
Yes, exactly. Everything are in the same location. That's what I like with this solution, that you have the form controller, and inside the form controller you put all your JavaScript code, because if you don't do that, after you have a lot of JavaScript everywhere, and for me it's a big nightmare. Here, what I like, one place, one JavaScript, and everything is here. Okay, so I like you love these solutions and you will use it.
Okay, great. Thank you. It's a little complicated. No, it's not very natural, but that'll do the work.